Hello everyone, welcome to Unlock Apple, and today we are going to unlock an iPhone on your screen. I'm going to explain you how this thing is really going to work for 100% free of cost. And for this, what we are going to use is this iPhone is not connected with any kind of iTunes. I'm trying to make as simple as possible for everyone to see. This iPhone is just connected simply with nothing inside, just with power bank. The reason for me to connect this iPhone with power bank is that this iPhone has to be connected with a charger. Means without charging, this method is not going to be possible. So charger is very important part in this unlock iCloud. So what we are going to do is you're just going to follow the exactly same thing what I'm doing. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video. I really appreciate your support. Share this video and comment your problem. If anything you do not understand, I am here to help you for 100% free. For everyone, just to make sure you see, this iPhone is purely connected with power bank only. Okay, now no cut, nothing wrong. And now we're going to do is press your language and press any country appears on your iPhone. Once you do that, the next step what you're going to do is going to set up manual. At the moment there is no Wi-Fi connected with this iPhone, so we are going to connect a Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi can be your home Wi-Fi, can be your free Wi-Fi outside, can be any internet, has to be internet. With or without password does not matter, because to go through we need to connect with a Wi-Fi. Once we join Wi-Fi, another thing, you can do this process with or without SIM card, does not matter. I'm trying to clear those questions what I'm receiving almost every day from people. Can we use without SIM card? Yes you can. Can we use with SIM card? Yes you can. Okay, now you can see this iPhone is iCloud log, very clear and very simple, you can see. Now next thing what we have to do is every single step you will follow, you will get 100% results, as you will see in this video. Any step you try to be over smart and you try to skip anything, you will not get same result. So do the same what I am doing. Okay, now first, if everybody notice, I click the activation lock help and then I come back. We have to do same thing. Okay, now going to emergency call. Once you go into emergency call, everybody going to type same number what I'm writing now, that is 995 028 15 867 97. Once you do that 10 times, you're going to press your green button. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I will repeat the same number one more time for everyone to know what exactly I type. If you do not understand anything, just play this video again and get your doubts out. Now 995 0281 586 797. 10 more times you have to press the same thing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Same thing one more time we have to press, that is going to be 995 0281 586 797. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If you do not follow this process, you will not get 100% results. Pressing home button 2 times, 3 times, pressing cancel. pressing home button, start again. English, your home country, you're going to choose for yourself. If you are living in Africa, do not choose UK. You're going to choose your own home country. I'm receiving so many questions from people that which country I should choose. So I'm telling you which country you should choose. You should choose your own country where you are going to use your phone. Wi-Fi settings. I would like to remind everyone the same numbers what we have added, there we're going to use but with different style. You go into your Wi-Fi connection what you connect with your phone, and in this time you are going to down configure proxy automatic. Here is coming this one, and here you have to add what I'm going to say is star 995 0281 81 star 586 797. Same number what we have added on the start, same number. There is a magic behind this number, there is a logic you will understand when you will see this iPhone will be iCloud unlock. Then you will get star and then on the middle star and in the end star and press save. Pressing back button, you can see Wi-Fi is connecting, it connect again. Press done button and press back. Once you do that, it can take here minimum 15 minutes as well. So you have to just do the same thing. That doesn't mean if sometimes I receive, it takes me 2 hours. This is free service. Free service takes time sometimes it can be in 1 minute as well. So you have to do the same thing to get 100% result. If you don't want, you don't have to. Now again, same place, going to information of your Wi-Fi, automatic, manual, home. We're not going to add any DNS server. We are not. We're just going to add here is written domain.com. What you have to write down here is star hash. Now 995 0281 hash 586 star 797. This time hash coming first, star coming in the end. This is the exact thing you are going to write down into your iPhone, iPad or iPod configure settings. Press save. Once you press, it goes to manual. Once you press save, you see the manual one more time. Same thing is save inside. Press back, press done one time here, press back. At the moment, you will see 1, 2, Wi-Fi, Apple Store. The number I have added, that was 9950281 586 9797. That was number for this Apple Store. Does not matter which country you are in, you will get the same, exactly same style of Wi-Fi what I am getting. Press it. At the moment you can see it's lock. Let's see that we did follow the right procedure what I have received information, or I messed up. Click it. It's connecting, it's connected. Once it's connected, you press done. You see activation lock, don't worry, just press back. Once you press back, it can take 17 to 19 or 1 to 3 minutes to activate. We get time on the top. That means something is happening. We get data and privacy. That means we get the right results with the right procedure. I did follow the exact same thing what I have been told. I did it and I did it. If you want to do it, do the same thing. If you do not understand anything, write down comment. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe it, share it. I'm here to help you for 100%. No question asked. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.